do that.
Hi friends, welcome to today's video. My name is Chidima. I would say it's in Igbo though. Aham bo Chidima. Aham means my name is Chidima. Aham bo Chidima. Say it after me. Aham bo Chidima. Bo is. Ahamu. Ahamu. In Igbo language, whenever you put M or mu to anything, you are personalizing whatever it is that you're saying. So when I say Ahamu bo Chidima, I mean my name is Chidima. So in the beginning, when I said welcome friends, I could say Ndewo ndi enyim. Ndewo ndi enyim. Enyim means friend. Ndi enyim means my friends. Ndi makes it plural. But we're not gonna get into that. That's not what this video is about. We're going to go on to learn how to count in Igbo. And I know last video we learned how to say the Igbo alphabet, and I hope you actually practice that, because that is gonna help with learning how to say all these words that we're about to jump into. Because when you put in your head that A is A, once you see those words, you'll be like, oh, I know this. Oh, it's A, so it should be A something. When you see E, remember that E is A. You say, oh, it's A something, even though it says E right there, because you already practiced the alphabet. It's going to help you learn. That is why I actually started with the alphabet, because that's the basis. That's the background. That's the foundation of everything. You have to know the alphabet. You have to know how to pronounce the letters to be able to even learn Igbo as it is. So I hope that you practice that video, and we're gonna get right into it. The first number is 0. I know we don't really talk about 0 when we teach Igbo language or when we practice Igbo language, but we're gonna start with 0. 0 is efu. Efu. Some people call it ihe efu, which means 0, which means nothing. That's it. Efu. Ihe efu. I hope I didn't confuse anybody. It's two different. In the last video, I talked about dialects. Dialects basically means the way people speak. So you have people who everybody, they all speak Igbo language, but they speak it differently. Like, I'm in California. The way Californians speak is different from the way people in South Carolina speak. And when I went to South Carolina, there were some stuff they were saying I didn't comprehend. But they're all speaking English though. But I was like, yeah, I don't understand. And then when you come to California, people say stuff, and when you go to Southern California and Northern California, different slangs are used. Like, Northern California is high key, low key, what other stuff. So dialect is basically how people speak, how a group of people speak. The same language, how they speak the same language, different from each other. That's all it basically means. So when I say efu and ihe efu, I was just trying to tell you the two common ways to say 0. And I had to go into the definition and explanation of dialect, because this is beginner's Igbo class. I can't assume that people know the answer to the stuff. Okay, 1 is otu. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to stick with otu. However, I know that there are other ways to say 1, which is also ofu. But for this video, we're going to stick with otu. 2 is abo. 3 is ato. Okay, let's go back to 2. 2 is abo. 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 If you remember the Igbo alphabet, we learned how to say all those letters. So it's abo. 3 is ato. Ato. Excuse me. 4 is ano. 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 5 is ise, ise. 6 is ishi, ishi. 7 is asa, 7 is asa. 8 is asato, asato. 9 is itolu, 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 itolu. 10 is iri, iri, iri. That's okay. That's all we're gonna do for now. To the 1 to 10. You need to practice that. You need to go over and over and over. And then once you get it, once you get otu, abuo, ato, ano, ise, ishin, asa, asato, itolu, iri, you got it. You've practiced it enough, you got it. Now we're gonna go to 11 through 20. It's just easy. The main thing you need to work on is learning this 1 to 10. Once you have it, trust me, the remaining is just easy. So 11 is iri na otu. Does that make sense? So 11 is 10 and 1. 10 and 1. 10 and 1, which will be iri, the 10, na, the and, 1, which is ofu or otu. So 10 is iri na otu. 12 is iri na abor. Iri na abor, which means 10 and 2. 13 is iri na ato, which means 10 and 3. I hope I didn't lose anybody. Let me go over it again. So when you're doing the 1 through a 10, is just its number, it's solid, right? But when you're doing 11 through 19, you are basically taking what you learned from 1 through 10 and combining them and counting them as those numbers. So when you want to say 18, you're going to say 10 and 8. So that's why it's important for you to know 1 through 10. So 11 is 10 and 1, which is iri na otu. 12 is 10 and 2, which is iri na abor. 13 is 10 and 3, which is iri na ato. 14 iri na no. 15 iri ni se. 16 iri ni shin. 17 iri na sa. 18 iri na sato. 19 iri ni tolu. So 20 is iri abor. Iri abor basically means, if you translate it in English, means 10 2 times, and that's 20. So you're gonna apply the same rules that you applied when you were counting 11 through 19 to now trying to count 21 through 29. So it's gonna be iri abụọ na otu, iri abụọ na abụọ, iri abụọ na atọ, iri abụọ na anọ, iri abụọ na ise, iri abụọ na isii, iri abụọ na asaa, iri abụọ na asatọ, iri abụọ na itoolu, iri atọ. So 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s will be iri, the number. So 80 will be iri asato. So that's the rule that applies to it. Like I said, counting in Igbo is easy once you get 1 through 10. So 30 is iri ato. So now 31 will be iri ato na otu, iri ato na abụọ, iri atọ na atọ, iri atọ na Ano. Okay, I'm like, oh, which one did I say already? Iri atọ na anọ, iri atọ na ise, iri atọ na isii, iri atọ na asaa, iri atọ na asatọ, iri atọ na itoolu, iri anọ, iri anọ na otu, iri anọ na abụọ, iri anọ na atọ, iri anọ na anọ, iri anọ na ise, iri anọ na isii, iri anọ na asaa, iri anọ na asatọ, iri anọ na itoolu, iri ise na otu, iri ise na abụọ, iri ise na atọ, iri ise na anọ, iri ise na ise, iri ise na isii, iri ise na asaa, iri ise na asatọ, iri ise na itoolu, iri isii, and you keep going and going and going and going. You get what I'm trying to say, and you get what I'm doing with it. So once you learn 1 to 10, it's easy to apply the rules. However, we're going to go back to 1 through 10 because I want you guys to practice that more, because that's the foundation of the whole numbers. If you don't know 1 through 10, you don't know how to count in Igbo. So now that we've learned 1 through 10, which is otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri, iri, okay, iri, now that we learned 1 through 10, we're going to practice using those numbers in sentences. So I'm going to make an easy sentence because it's easy for you to learn when it's easy. So we're going to use the word nyem. Nyem means give me. Nye, 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 nye. If you remember in the alphabet, there was this word ny. That word and A is E. Don't forget. Nye, nye. Don't forget. Go back to your alphabets. So we're going to use the word nye. Nye means give. But we're going to use nyem, which means give me. So you want to say nye, nyemu, nyem, nyemu, nyem, whichever one. Nyem otu mango. That's right. Give me 1 mango. Let's try it again. Nyem otu mango. Give me 1 mango. You can use it for anything. Nyem otu bread. Give me 1 bread. Nyem otu efe. Efe means cloth. Cloth. Give me 1 cloth. Nyem otu shoe. Give me 1 shoe. Well, I'm not gonna get into translating the words in Igbo yet because I want you guys to get comfortable using the numbers first. Then we'll get into that later on. So, nyem otu mango. We're gonna go back to mango because it's simple. Nyem otu mango. Now, that's how you say, give me 1 mango, right? Now, when you want to say 2, give me 2 mangoes. You're going to say, nyemu mango abụọ. You don't say nyem abụọ mango. Once the noun, a noun is a place of things, animal, person, whatever. So the noun in this is a mango. So once the noun is now plural, which is no longer mango, it's mangoes. Once it's plural, the rules change. It's no longer nyemu otu mango. It will be nyemu mango abụọ. Once it's plural, the number goes after the noun. Once it's plural, the number goes after the subject, which is the noun. So when it's not plural, when it's singular, the number can come before the noun. But once it's plural, the number comes after the noun. I hope that makes sense. So it's going to be nyemu mango abụọ. It's not nyemu abụọ mango. It doesn't make sense. It's nyemu mango abua. Nyemu bread abua. Not nyemu abua bread. No, that's not how it's said. That's not the rule. Nyemu mango abua. Nyemu bread abua. Nyemu rice abua. Nyemu anything abua. Then 3 will be nyemu mango ato. See? It's not gonna be nyemu ato mango. It's like nyemu mango 3. No. That's like you saying give me mango 3. Doesn't make sense. So it's nyemu mango ato. Nyemu mango ano. Nyemu mango ise. Hey, nyemu mango ishi. Okay. Nyemu mango asa. Okay. Nyemu mango asato. Nyemu mango itolu. Hey, nyemu mango iri. Okay, so you get the gist. That's all I'm trying to, I think that from now on, when I teach Igbo, I'm going to use them in a sentence, so that you can get, how to apply them to regular, when you speak regularly. So, nyemu, that's easy. That's why I chose that. Nyemu otu mango. Don't forget, when it's singular, it's otu mango. When it's plural, it's nyemu mango abo. Not nyemu abua mango. Nope. Gotta follow the rules. We're gonna get into that later on. But right now, I hope I was very helpful, and I hope that you learned how to count in Igbo today. Give me feedback, leave comments, leave questions in the comment section, and if there are anything that I have to address, I'll address them before I start the next video for Saturday. Oh, okay, one thing else I wanted to tell y'all. I have decided to upload videos 2 times a week now, not once a week, because I figured that once a week is dragging and people really want to learn. So it's gonna be 2 times a week. Wednesdays and Saturdays, you're gonna see my videos online teaching you Igbo. So I hope today you learned how to count in Igbo and you learned how to use it in a sentence. Okay? And please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I need a subscription, please. Share my video too, and maybe I can get more views, whatever happens. But thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching today. See you next time. See you on Saturday, okay? Nyem otu mango. Hey, nyem mango. Aboa, nyem mango. Ato, okay, nyem mango. Ano, nyem mango. He said, okay, nyem mango. Ishi, nyem mango asa, nyem mango asato, nyem mango iri. No, nyem mango itolu. Nyem mango iri. Come on, nyem mango iri. Okay, bye guys.